Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. Gonna do a quick video today, kind of a thank you video to one of our commercial customers. We just completed a project of 74 tumblers for our friends at Hiawatha Implement up in Mound City, Missouri. Took a little video during the project and took some still pictures. We're not gonna do the entire project on video. It took 3 days to get it all completely done. But we'll kind of show some video of how the process all worked, and then we'll have some pictures at the end of the completed project. Again, we want to thank them for their business, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil, laser, and Cerakote needs, and have a great day.